Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Devinshal. Uh, Previously we have just done many of the series related to HTML and CSS, and I hope you all enjoy that all things and series of HTML and CSS. So today we will be starting also a beginner series of HTML, which should be of like we will be making a music store page in HTML and CSS, and I hope you will be enjoying this video, and I hope it will be really helpful for you. If it will be helpful for you and you will be learning things from this video, so please hit a like to this video. If you are new on the channel, also hit the subscribe button, and also share this video with your friends and family members so they can also learn how to do coding, what is HTML and CSS, and how to make projects in that. So now we will be starting with our project. So like I've telling you, we will be building a music store page in HTML and CSS. So we will be starting to build. First of all, for building a music store page, you have to open some text editor in which you will be working on. So I have already opened that, you can see, and in that you have to make two files, one of HTML and one of CSS. So one will be name of index.html and second is of style.css. So it's your choice what name you should give, but my opinion is if you are beginner and making file for the first time of HTML and CSS, so give the name of index.html to HTML file and give the name of style.css to CSS file, and then I will be telling you what to do. So when you will be when you have done these things, so you have to just do one thing here. You have to do half screen here, means you have to just do one thing when you will be making an index.html file, so it will be on your location where you have saved your file. So my opinion is save on desktop, so it will be easy to find your file. You can see like my file is here and my default browser is Opera, so it will be opening with Opera. But if you having a default browser of Google Chrome, so don't worry about that, because everybody having other default browser. If you are using Opera browser, so you will be getting default browser of Opera. I am using Opera browser, so I am getting default browser of Opera. So I will be just double click and open this randomly. So simply double click and open that. When you have opened this file, just you have to half screen. You have to do half screen this file with your text editor. So simply I'll be taking it to right side, and my text editor should be at the left side. You can see now it is at the left side and it is at the right side. So when you've done that, now you have to start code. So now we'll be writing code here, we'll be saving our file, and when you be reloading here, so all the codes will be appearing on this file. So simply we'll be writing first of all starting code of HTML. Just write HTML with tag and press enter. You can see all the starting code has appeared. Now you have to give the title of this, like title will be music store page because we are making this. So here write music store page, save and reload. Here you can see music store page written here at the top at the tab, you can see at the left side. So we are getting, now we have to do one thing, we have to get an image, means we have to get an image at the background. So for getting that, you have to take image from Google, or if you have already have, so you can just put any image here. It's your choice. If you put music store page pic or any other pic, you can take from Google also. Like I will be searching from a website called Pixels. Previously we have taken the picture from Pixabay and Unsplash website. So this is also a good website from where you can take free stock photos, and you can also take it on high resolution and you can also take it on low resolution, but it's your choice how you take photos. My opinion is take high resolution photos, so when you will be taking it at the background of your page, so it will be looking awesome. So here I will be searching for my image which is about music. So here I'll be writing music and searching that. You can see we are getting an image, so don't take this one because it is about concert. So I'll be taking this image. You can put here at the background, but it should not be good because at the background these things are at down and we cannot see the down things here. Simply I'll be taking this one. Press free download and it will be just downloading fast. It will be not taking so much time, but it depends upon your internet and storage how it is working. So you can see it is just installing and it will be downloading in some seconds, or you can say some minutes if you are having low end device or low end internet. You can see it is download. I'll be pressing this file to open, then I'll be copying this file and I'll be pasting it on desktop because my location of index.html and style.css file is desktop. So here I'll be pasting this, then I will be giving it the name of music2. So here I'll be writing music2 and pressing enter. When you've done that, simply go to your Sublime Text, and here I will be opening Opera browser at the left side. Now close this because we have download image. So now we have to do one thing, we have to link our style sheet with our HTML sheet. So when we will be putting background image here, it will be coming. So here I'll be writing the Now here I will be just writing link tag, press tab and enter. Here I will be writing a tag which will be like just when you've written that. So when you written that, just write style.css, save this and reload. So nothing happens because we have still not written anything. Here I'll be selecting this tag, then I will be writing here background image which should be having the URL, and our image name was music2.jpg. So here I'll be saving that, and don't worry about in which format your image will be saving. It will be saving in JPEG because we are getting JPEG image there. You can see our image is not looking too good. It is not just appearing like we see in the photo when we are downloading. So we will be doing that after. In previous video I've also telling you some of the tags like background attachment, background size, background repeat. From that tags we will be getting our image good. So here I will be writing background, then I will be writing attachment which should be fixed. If you are new here, so you will be seeing this tag for the first time, so just write these tags which I am writing, so your image will be good. It's your opinion if you want to write this background repeat tag, because it is not really important to write, but my opinion is to write that so your image will be not repeating 2 times. Reload here. You can see we are getting our image really awesome. Now we will be writing text at the left side where it should be getting padding from here, so it should be not just stick at the left side. So here I will be going to index.html, then I will be coming here and writing a div tag, and in this div tag I will be given the class of music, and then move down here, write h1 tag, then simply write that music store page because we have made that, so right here. Then when you've done with that, simply I'll be writing p tag, and when you've written this p tag, simply you have to just give it the name of p tag. Okay, so right here, best music store for finding music. Anything you can write here, it's your choice. Reload. You can see we are getting this thing. Now we want it should be down having a font family and font color. So simply I'll be going to my style.css file. Here I will be now given like dot music was our class, so simply I'll be given that. And if you want to write any other class name, just write. And one thing is really important, remember your class name, or you can copy paste that directly by doing that, because if you just not remember your class name, so it will be difficulty for you and you will be getting mistake here. And one important thing is, like when you are defining your class, write dot in the starting. If you don't write this dot, so your class will be not defined. So please, this thing is really important here, this dot. So simply I'll be now moving down by making curly bracket, and here I will be given like music, and then I will be just giving it the padding. So simply give the padding of 40 pixel, and here I will be doing one thing, just I'll be giving it the color of white, so it should be white color. Save here and reload here. You can see we are getting padding and white color. So we want it should be having font family. Give the font family. You can write font family here also, but we are only writing 2 tags, so I'll be writing here. So it's your opinion where you write font family. And here I will be writing Montserrat, sans serif. Save here and reload. You can see we are just getting this image, and now we want that it should be down. So here I will be now coming and then go underneath this body tag. So right here br tag, press Ctrl Z, then again here you have to write again. Save here and reload. You can see we are getting this, and now I want br tag should be coming again. So simply I'll be writing this br tag again. Save here and reload here. You can see we are getting this br tag and we are getting it here. So simply I'll be doing one thing, and again do that. Save here and reload, and you can see we are now getting it down and it is looking good. So like that you can make your own music store page. So you can see successfully